Hey guys, this video is on how to change the headlamps in your Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, here's the bulbs I chose to go with. So the next step up was $60. These ones were almost $30. This is just a clear bright. The BP9004 NVC2-N. Okay, what we'll do is after we pop the hood, take a look. We're going to start with the right side first. Take a look right on the back side of the headlamp, right down there. That is what we're going to disconnect. So I'm reaching down in here. This right side's a little bit harder because you got the air filter box there. So there's a little tab on top. And you want to push that down with your thumb. If you're using your left hand, push it down with your thumb. Push it down and just wiggle it right out. Okay, so that's the connector. Now the next thing to come out is the bulb here. Now the next thing you'll notice, there's like a collar around the end of the light bulb there. I'm gonna stick my hand in here, just kind of show you. It's getting in the way of my filming. Reach down behind here. So there's a collar. There's a collar right there. This is the light bulb, that's the collar. The collar needs to come and turn it. See that? That's your on and off. The collar just pops right off of there. There's the collar. And the light bulb just pops right straight out because the collar is what secures it. And it just comes right out like that. Okay, interesting fact here, these Sylvania lights, looks like those are made in the USA. These Napa ones, made in China. So if you can live with that, go ahead and pick these up. If not, the Sylvania model for these is also the 9004. Again, same naming convention, 9004. Okay, so pretty easy here. I'll just take the new one there and pop it into the hole. That tab right here, that's gonna face up. So I'll just come around here, sneak it in there. The easier way is putting your hand down in front of that air box. I had my hand behind there, down through that way, just for video purposes, but you get the idea here. I just want to show you the best way for putting that in. So it just pops straight in. I got the light bulbs and the headlamp bulb there. Now I'm going to fit this collar down over the top of it. Okay, now what I did is I just reached in there, and that collar right there, reached in there and gave it a little twist to the right. That's the collar right there you want to have. Turn this way. So it's turned that way. Now we just take this, plug it back in. Right up over the top of that. There we go. All right, right side's done. All right, do the same thing with the left side now, which I did, and now we're good to go. Back in action. All right, thanks for watching, you guys.